Bismillah. All the materials left from last time. Door to not scratch the wall of a warm floor. Laminate. This is the wardrobe, but it will be 3-door, and that little piece you wouldn't see. It will be 3-door with integrated handle. I showed Steve, listen, this is the 2 doors. Ceiling I showed you, AC outside, AC inside, box from TV for all the garbage, rubbish. TV I closed from the dust. I showed you there 2 lights. Laminate, you can see it, do not scratch the wall. Other side also. I'll show you bathroom. This is door, kitchen, but everything will be closed. Fridge, this all the meters. It's 2 meters, 95 centimeters is almost 3 meters. Like, so, see, you wouldn't see the ceiling. Everything will be closed, but oven and microwave will be open. Connected washing machine. This is the hob, structure, sink. Так. What else? They still didn't finish kitchen. This, I don't know what they're gonna do. And this here also. My height is 175 almost centimeters, but look, and there is another 2 meters, almost 2 meters, 1.5. Kitchen. Floor I showed you, Steve. These curtains for hall. Так, bathroom. Mirror, sink. It will be door also here until there 2 door. This is the shower. I closed shower. And opened. Materials, 4 meters. Hot water they switched off. Cold water because of somebody doing renovations they switched off. Toothbrush for soap because here will be lights inside. Like you wouldn't see the lights, but around it it will be switching on. This is toilets. Good, yeah? Shower. Important things. Welcome to kitchen. For hall, like hiding curtains. Balcony I showed you, nothing new. That's all. This is all the materials left. Do not scratch the wall. Bathroom I'll show again. Okay, I'll close. So, shower is done.